Hi, my name is Joara, and as you can see, I'm going to talk about plastic pollution. Well, plastic pollution is one of the main problems of environmental damage, and around 75% of the garbage in the ocean are made of plastics. According to the United Nations Environment, about 18,000 pieces of plastic are float in every square kilometer of the sea surface, but that's nothing. It only represents 1% of the plastic pollution in the ocean, and the 99% are in there. Plastics are the cheapest material, so their production has been tripled in last decades. To do services like plastic straws, plastic bottles, plastic bags, and many more things. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose. For example, simple plastics can take 100 to decompose, but there are some plastic that can take between 100 or 600 years to decompose. For example, plastic bottles are diapers that can take 450 years to decompose. According to the EPA, every piece of plastic that has been manufactured still exists. And often plastic are burned outdoors, and that produce air pollution, and when animals or humans breathe contaminated air, it can affect their wellness or their well-being. Well, since 1950, humanity has produced 8.3 billion tons of plastic, and if we continue with this rate, in 2050, there will be more than 12 billion tons of plastic. Now I'm going to talk about microplastics. The microplastic is the closest thing to a bacterium. The microplastic is the closest thing to a bacterium. It's everywhere, it's impossible to avoid it, and it's bad to all people. Microplastics are fragments of 1 millimeter or less, and studies done by the Royal Society, the State University of New York, and the University of Minnesota during the last decades revealed that there are at least 4 billion plastics fragments on every square kilometer on the beaches. Another study by the World Media Organization shows that a person can eat 14 microplastics every day, because microplastics are not only found in drinking water, they are also in beer, fish, and everything that has contact with water. According to WWF, we are eating 1 kilogram of plastic every 4 years. And we may never reach zero waste, but that's no reason to take zero actions. That's all. Thank you.